Hey, hello everyone. How are you today? My dear friends, my dear listeners, my dear subscribers all around the world. I remain myself Adetokunbo Mike from the Genius FS. It's been a while. Today I'm going to share with you a strategy with settings. This time around, I'm going to put the settings of this strategy because I want people to benefit from this strategy. I've actually started using this strategy for the past 3 weeks now, and it has been working perfectly. That is the reason why I want my able subscribers, dear subscribers all around the world, to also benefit from this strategy. I use 6 Ichimoku, and as you can see the line on my chart, it is cloud, not ICHIMOKU line. It is Kumo cloud, and then we use. So I'm going to share the settings with you before I will explain how it works. Here is the settings. We use 6 Ichimoku, and then we use 1 Bollinger Band for better understanding. Our first indicator is Ichimoku. We use chicken shin 50, pigeon shin 50, chicken spam also 50. Any color of your choice, but mind you, don't forget that I use Kumo up and Kumo down, only the cloud. The remaining asset, I put it at white. So you click done. As you can see, you click done. Then the second one, Ichimoku, is 60. Okay, exactly the same way is 60. Any color of your choice, but I use the same color because I don't want the chart to be too colorful. Then the next one is 70. The Ichimoku, the third Ichimoku, 70. Chikunji is 70. Chikunji is 70. Chicken spam is 70. The color of your choice. Then you click save. Then the next one, which is number 4, 80. Okay, 80. Then the next one is 90, as you can see. And the next one, the last one, Ichimoku, the number 6, is 100. Okay, so now we use 1 Bollinger Band to filter out the crossover of the Kumo cloud. This strategy is just a Kumo cloud breakout, but I did not use the filled Kumo cloud. I used the lined Kumo cloud. So the parameter for this Bollinger Band period is 20, deviation is 20, is 2.00, shift is 0. You apply to close, any color of your choice, but mind you, let your level be at white. Okay, then you click done. Your chart is going to look like this, guys. This is how your chart will look like. This strategy is just, yeah guys, very quick one. Let me introduce to you a platform, a website whereby you can easily analyze your chart just like TradingView, but it is more better than TradingView. I call it they call it FASTBULL website. FASTBULL website. As you can see, it is different from TradingView, and this is where you can easily analyze your chart and then set your, sometimes you set price alert, and also you can easily provide real-time code for each symbol. Okay, so Red Bull allows you to set up 64 symbols window at the same time. As you can see, I'm talking about this. It can easily allow you to set 64 charts at a time, where you can easily check. This is also the time frame zone. FASTBULL allows you to set customized time frame when analyzing your chart. I'm talking about this. Okay, I'm talking about that. And also FASTBULL allows you to set up 64 indicator on the chart. Okay, I'm talking about this. You can easily set 64 indicators on the chart at a time. FASTBULL allows you to save unlimited template for chart analysis. I mean this place. Okay, you can check it out and click on my you see the link on my description. Just check it out. It is far better than TradingView. FASTBULL allow you to add up to 1,000 symbols into your watch list. Okay guys, this is how it works. Just make sure you check the site and then click the link in my description and check the site. Thanks for listening. So as I was saying, let's get back to the work. Breakout, but we use only the line of the Kumo to trade. Okay, let me show you how it works. I'm going to start from the recent market. As you can see, here is the recent market. Okay, this is the recent market. We are going to see that the 6 Ichimoku are lined together around this place when there is about to cross here. Okay, I'm talking from this place. This is the Kumo breakout. You are going to take your position right from here and put your stop loss at the back of this Kumo cloud. Guys, market goes in your favor. It is a scalping strategy. It works best on 15-minute time frame, work best on 15-minute time frame, work best on 5-minute time frame. So this is 15 minutes now, guys. Look at what happened here. There is a crossover from up to down around this place. You are going to enter your market from here and put your stop loss here. Okay, as you can see, Bollinger Band has already given us the exact place where we are going to enter. When Bollinger Band, the lower band, has already shown around this place, you take your sell position and you continue to ride your trade. Put your stop loss at the back of this place. Let me show you another entry. This is another entry, guys. This is another entry around this place. As you can see, this is Kumo Cloud. The breakout occur here when you see the first line of the Bollinger Band. You put your stop loss here. You are going to enter your trade around this place, and then you continue to ride your trade. As long as your price action is above the Kumo Cloud line, you continue to hold the trade as long as you can, or take your profit anytime as you wish. Guys, this strategy is very powerful. Look at it also here. This is another breakout here. As you can see, the Kumo Cloud here, the first Bollinger Band line, the upper band show around this place. This is upper band and this is lower band. Okay, when the upper band show around that place, you are going to take your buy opportunity and put your stop loss at the back of this Kumo Cloud. You continue to ride your trade as long as the market breaks out. This is a very short sell here. Around this place, there is a crossover. Now I'm going to take my entry from this place. I'm taking my entry from this place. I'll put my stop loss here, and then I ride the trade, retrace, and then data come into my favor. This is good, guys. As you can see, this strategy will give you at least 100 pips. More than that, if you can hold on to the entry. Now look at this place. Now there is a crossover around this place. There is a crossover of the cloud around that place. Here, this is where I'm going to take my trade and put my stop loss here, and I'll continue to ride the trade. Market touch it around this place and also bounce back up. So it is a very good strategy, guys. It is a very good strategy. As you can see, I've backtested it and I've used it on live account, guys. I've used this on live account. Look at a very sell signal here. This is a very good sell signal here. Around this place, there is crossover. Okay, I'm going to take my entry from this place. I'll put my stop loss here, and then I'll continue to ride the trade. Around this place is already inside the cloud, but it doesn't go out. It busts out from here and continue to go down. As you can see, it went very long. This is another entry here, guys. I'm still going to show you 5-minute time frame, but I'm doing this analysis on a 15-minute time frame. This is the Kumo Cloud line breakout. So I'm going to take my entry from here. I'll take my entry from there. I'll put my stop loss here, and I'll continue to ride my trade. So let me show you 5-minute chart, guys. Let me show you 5-minute chart. As you can see, it's a very good strategy, and it will help you to boost lower account from $10 upward. Look at this downtrend here around this place. This is Kumo Cloud here. I'm going to take my sell opportunity around this place. I'll put my stop loss here, then continue to ride the trade. This is 15 minutes, guys. This entry is 2 days. This is day 1 and this is day 2. So now let me show you 5-minute chart, guys. Let me show you 5-minute chart. As you can see, this is what happened 3 days ago. There is a crossover of price action around this place. This is Kumo Cloud, like I said. There is a crossover. Once I see the first line of Bollinger Band, that's where I'm going to take my entry and put my stop loss here. By the time I enter, market retrace a little bit in and later bust out into our direction and went very long. As you can see, went very long. Let me show you another entry. This is another entry on 5-minute chart. This is another entry. Breakout occur here, and I continue to ride my trade, put my stop loss here, guys. I don't want this video to be much longer, but I'm telling you, if you can stick to this strategy, you are going to make a lot of money. Now look at this place. Now I'm going to show you this is a breakout, Kumo breakout, but I didn't use the cloud. I used the Kumo line. As you can follow the settings around that place, look at the breakout here. I'm going to enter my position here and put my stop loss at the back of the cloud and continue to ride my trade. This is a day movement. As you can see, this is another breakout, guys. Here is another breakout around this place. Market bust out and continue to go in our direction. Put your stop loss at the back of this place. It's a very good strategy because I decided to release the settings so that you people will not see me as a bad person, because a series of comments that are being scammed. Some people telling me that I'm wicked. I'm keeping settings to myself. It is not easy to design a strategy and you are expecting me to be putting it online for some people to be copywriting me. So that is the major reason why I do hide my settings. So, but guys, I gave these settings free of charge. As you can see, you enter your position from this place. Put your stop loss at the back of this place. Market range, and later went in our direction. Guys, I remain myself at Kumbo from the Genius FS. Please keep subscribing to my channel, like and share to others to benefit. Thank you. God bless you.